So here's how you can turn off professional account on your Instagram account. It's really easy and simple to do, so let's get into it. The very first thing that you need to do is go ahead and go to your Google Play Store or your iPhone App Store, and then you want to just find Instagram. Basically, you're looking for a button that says update, where you can update Instagram to the latest version, or else this will actually not work. So make sure you update it. If it doesn't have an update option, that means it is already updated, and we can just go ahead and click on the open button. So you want to go over to your profile page by clicking on your profile icon on the bottom right hand corner. And then from here, you want to click on the three bars on the top right hand corner. And then now you're going to see a couple of options where you want to click on settings and privacy. Afterward, in settings and privacy, we want to scroll down a little bit, and then as you can see, it says for professionals, business tools, and controls. So it's going to either say business tools and controls or creator tools and controls. So you just want to click on this option under for professionals. And then now if we scroll down a little bit, you can see it says switch account type. So we'll go ahead and click on switch account type. Now, as you can see, it says switch to personal account or switch to a creator account. So if you want to switch back to personal, then simply click on that. And see, as you can see, it says switch to personal account.